Hi! So, I think this is worth discussing kasi palagi siyang lumalabas sa exam, walang time expression at maraming nagkakamali. Simple present versus present perfect. So, halimbawa, watch. I have watched versus I watch. Pag sinabi mong I have watched, so it is something that is true hanggang ngayong nagsasalita ako. True in the past, true until now. I have watched Harry Potter. Ibig sabihin, napanood ko na siya. Until this moment, it is true. So, for something that you have already tried, palagi tayong gumagamit ng have plus past participle. Bakit? Kasi hindi mo na siya mababago. I have been to Japan. So, ibig sabihin nun, na-try ko lang pumunta sa Japan. Kahit bukas ko to sabihin, it is still true. It is something that already happened. Hindi mo na siya mababago. Okay, so, I have been to Japan. I have tried bungee jumping. I have tried hitchhiking. I have driven a car. So, it is a matter of fact na nagawa mo na palaging totoo until the moment you're speaking kasi you cannot undo the past. So, have plus past participle for something that you have already done. Okay, paano naman kung I watch Harry Potter? So, ibig sabihin nun, palagi mo siyang pinapanood. It's either gusto mo siya or palagi mo siyang pinapanood. I watch Harry Potter. Ibig sabihin nun, uy, nanonood ako niyan. Ayan. Versus, I have watched. Uy, napanood ko na yan. So, ganun po yung pagkakaiba niya. So, paano naman kung I haven't tried ice cream? Hindi ko pa natatry. Pwedeng bukas magbago yung isip ko, itry ko. I haven't. Yun ay hanggang ngayon lang. Pag sinabi mong I don't try ice cream, so ibig sabihin nun, kahit kailan hindi ko siya tinatry, hindi ko siya gustong itry, wala akong planong itry. I don't watch horror movies. Hindi ko siya pinapanood. It's a general truth na palaging totoo. I haven't watched horror movies. Hindi ko pa siya natatry, pero pwedeng bukas magbago yun kasi pwedeng bukas manood ako. So, ganun po siya. Haven't versus don't. Haven't is present perfect, don't is simple present. So, paano naman kung none of the students have joined the club versus none of the students join the club? What is the more viable answer? Kasi, wala siyang time expression. Wala namang sinabi kung kailan. For me, the better answer is have joined. Kasi pag sinabi mong none of the students have joined the club, ibig sabihin nun, hanggang ngayon, wala pang nagre-register. Pwedeng mamaya may mag-register para mag-join ng club. Pero pag sinabi mo kasing none of the students join the club, or J-O-I and join the club, ibig sabihin nun, palaging walang nagre-register. It's a general thing. So, gets niyo po ba yung difference? Pag sinabi mong have plus past participle, it is something that you have already tried na hindi mo na bababago, or something that is true until the moment. Pero pwede siyang magbago bukas, mamaya, kinabukasan, ayan, next week, ganyan. Pero pag sinabi mong simple present, it is something that always happens. Palagi siyang nangyayari. Hoy, walang nagjo-join. Wala talagang nagjo-join. None of the students join the club. In general, walang gustong sumali sa club na to. None of the students have joined the club. Ibig sabihin nun, wala pang nagre-register. Pero pwedeng bukas or mamaya, meron nang mag-register. I hope that is clearer and thank you so much. Bye!